MetaPlanet from Japan, which like you compare with the MicroStrategy of the United States. In Japan, MetaPlanet, these have a stock. This stock has risen by 4,800% in the last couple of months because they started to use Bitcoin as a strategic reserve. Yes, you heard me right. MetaPlanet started to buy Bitcoins. At the moment, they own around 1,700 Bitcoins, which is around $170 million in capital. And because they started to buy Bitcoin, they want 500 more new investors, people buying more stocks, and the stock price has risen by 4,800%. Now, this is the shocking part. This is going to lead to adoption all over the world, and all of these huge tech companies seeing what happened to the MicroStrategy stock. Bam, it flew up. What happened to the MetaPlanet stock? Bam, it flew up. More and more of these examples will lead to more adoption among institutional investors. All of these companies, they are not going to save their reserve capital anymore in fiat like dollars or euros. Why would they do that? They are killing their own purchasing power. They will never continue doing that, especially not when these US tariffs are there, etc., which will weaken the dollar, which will also weaken the purchasing power of companies. Yes, sometimes it could be good for export and import for the United States, but for other companies in the rest of the world, they then need to store their capital in a different value, and that value, of course, is going to be Bitcoin. Maybe some gold, maybe some bonds, but Bitcoin is going to be the king of this century, guys. Now, even more shocking is the plan that MetaPlanet has. The plan is that MetaPlanet wants to own 21,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2026, guys. This means they want to be the owner of 1,000th part of all the Bitcoins ever around. If there is 1,000 other companies that want to do the same, it's already impossible because we already as a community own a shitload of Bitcoin, like 80 to 90%. And a company like MicroStrategy already owns a couple of 100,000 Bitcoins, guys. So this is almost impossible for another 1,000 companies to be there to want to own 21,000 Bitcoins. Please understand that. There's millions of companies worldwide. They will all want to follow the example of MicroStrategy and MetaPlanet because that is increasing the purchasing power and giving their capital more value. It's just impossible for every company in the world to do that.